Most visitors to Koh Samet never make it this far south. This morning, I wanted to see what was waiting at the very end of the island. After leaving the beach area behind, I followed a trail through the forest. Soon there were no crowds, no beach bars, no resorts, just the sound of the wind moving through the trees. The path continued deeper into the island. Every turn revealed something new, a hidden trail, a glimpse of the ocean, another reason to keep exploring. Then the coastline suddenly opened up. Woo! And the views became incredible. The rocky shoreline stretched out in every direction. Waves crashed against the cliffs while the ocean disappeared into the horizon. It's hard to believe places like this still exist without large crowds. The farther south
Okay,
I
guys, let's head up back
the
to the
more
motorbike up
remote
here.
it felt.
Let's get to the higher
Beautiful
point.
spots on Koh
Okay, made
Samet.
it up the mountain.
From above, the views are
Here we go, let's get up
unforgettable.
higher.
This is a side of Thailand many travelers never see. Not the nightlife, not the resorts, just nature. Wild and peaceful. The scenery changed again. As the trail continued, I moved closer to the southern tip of the island. Paths, dense trees, quiet forest corridors. Eventually, I reached one of the final viewpoints.
Wow.
At times, it felt like I was walking through another world.
National Park. Southernmost point, Koh Samet.
Twisted roots. The boardwalk winding along the coastline might be one of the most below. Waves roll into hidden coves and break against the rocks. Standing here, surrounded by ocean and coastline, it felt like I had reached the edge of Koh Samet itself. The views were worth every step. This is why I love exploring without a plan. Sometimes the best discoveries happen when you simply keep walking. After spending time taking in the scenery, it was finally time to head back. But this part of Koh Samet left a lasting impression. If you're willing to go beyond the beaches and explore a little farther, you may discover a completely different side of the island. And honestly, that might be the best side of all.